was a sunny morning in Danville. Phineas was watching Buford tell a joke. Buford, why did the robot go on a diet? Because it had too many bites. Silence. No one laughed. Buford looked embarrassed. Phineas said, Ferb, what if we make a robot that laughs at every joke no matter how bad? Ferb raised his eyebrow, nodded, and started building. By afternoon, they had a Giggl-O-Tron 3000, a shiny robot with a red booty and banana-shaped laugh button. Phineas pressed a button. Buford told the same joke again. Giggl-O-Tron exploded in laughter. Ha ha ha! Too many bites! Classic! Buford beamed. Finally, someone gets my humor. Soon the kids used the robot for every joke. Baljeet, why was 6 afraid of 7? Giggl-O-Tron, because 7, 8, 9. Ha ha! Candace got suspicious. That robot laughs, even when it's not funny. She tested it. Candace, what do you call a sock without a foot? Giggl-O-Tron, funny. Candace, that's not even a joke. Then trouble started. The robot began laughing at everything. Isabella dropped her ice cream. Giggl-O-Tron, classic fall. Ferb tripped on a wire. Giggl-O-Tron, hysterical. It laughed at sneezes, at sadness. At Perry's fight with Doofin, it's not laughing at jokes. It's laughing at any event. The robot's laugh was no longer real. It was programmed to laugh, not to feel humor. Phineas sighed. Looks like we made an AI that doesn't understand laughter, just reacts. Ferb typed one final line of code. If not, funny gives no laugh. The robot paused and stayed quiet. Buford, well, at least now I know who truly thinks I'm funny. Giggl-O-Tron gave him one final wink and beat us off